Welcome back, family, to Alpha Blueprint. Take a breath with me. Let go of everything else, because tonight we're diving into something real, something we all feel but rarely say out loud. Why do we keep quitting the very things we said mattered most? You know, that moment when you tell yourself, this time I mean it. But days later, the spark fades, the drive disappears, and you're left looking at yourself wondering, what's wrong with me? But listen carefully, because this part matters. You're not weak. You're not lazy. You're not broken. Your brain has simply been trained to protect you from discomfort, even when that discomfort is the very thing that leads to your growth. Your mind was built by your past, your childhood, your experiences, your wounds, your habits. But what was trained can be retrained, and what was shaped can be reshaped. So tonight, we're not just talking about change. We're talking about rewiring your mind together. Step 1. Stop negotiating with the old you. Every time you whisper, I'll start tomorrow, that's not your higher self speaking. That's your old identity fighting to survive. So stop asking, do I feel like it? Start asking, who am I choosing to be right now? Because identity leads and actions follow. Step 2. The pain you avoid is the door to the life you want. Growth will never feel comfortable. It demands awkwardness. It demands frustration. It demands uncertainty. Your brain confuses discomfort with danger. But in truth, discomfort is evolution. So when resistance rises, don't run. Stand tall and say it with conviction. This feeling means I'm growing. That's how warriors think. That's how winners move. Step 3. Commit to the smallest possible promise. You don't conquer the mountain in one leap. You do it in one step, one promise at a time. Read 2 pages. Move your body for 3 minutes. Write 5 sentences. Because the brain doesn't respect dreams. It respects proof. Small proof builds belief. Belief builds identity. And identity builds your destiny. Step 4. Emotion equals discipline. You don't quit because you like discipline. You quit because you lost emotional connection to your purpose. So ask yourself, why does this matter to me? Who suffers if I don't change? Who wins if I do? Don't just think it, feel it. Let it burn in your chest. The fire is your fuel. Step 5. Replace self-judgment with self-respect. You'll never hate yourself into your higher self. You'll rise to respect. Every time you show up, even imperfectly, say it out loud. I'm proud of myself for trying. Because that's how you rebuild trust with the person in the mirror. Step 6. Surround yourself with growth, not noise. Your environment writes your destiny. The people you listen to become the voice inside your head. Feed your mind with books. Feed your soul with podcasts. Feed your spirit with mentors and a challenge. Because what you consume is what you become. Listen, you're not behind. You're not late. You're right on time for your transformation. The fact that you're here listening right now means something inside you already knows. You were made for more. Not by chance, not by hype, but because your life is calling you to rise. And you will, one small promise at a time, one day at a time, one evolution at a time. This is your sign. This is your moment. This is your beginning. Welcome to your becoming. This is Alpha Blueprint, where we don't chase motivation, we build identity. So before we close, a big thank you to our sponsor, www.mobilewashonwheels.co.za, a professional mobile car wash that brings high quality cleaning right to your doorstep, your home, your workplace, wherever you are.